if you had to create this community again from scratch, let's say Facebook deletes your group, which would be a disaster, but what would you be doing today that you didn't start immediately doing when you first set it up?
The cheat code for us was that I had a personal brand in the industry. So I was already known for speaking at events. I was known as an early adopter in testing softwares. So I had a bit of, I had a fairly large following. I think I had about 10,000 followers at LinkedIn. So when I posted about stuff, that helped kickstart the momentum. And then others would post about using it, and it just snowballs from there. So that was our cheat code to word of mouth marketing, was the fact that I had a personal brand and was seen as a trusted expert in the industry already for the tech side. So when I then decided to do my own tool, they were interested in what I was doing because they'd followed my advice on other things in the past.